Good day, sir. I'm Siman Busano, Section G2 Alpha. So, I'm going to discuss about the effects of bilging and permeability of ship stability. Number one, bilging. Bilging happens when a compartment of a ship is damaged and seawater enters the space through a hole in the hull. This usually occurs after grounding, collision, or structural damage. Effects of bilging on stability: loss of buoyancy. When water floods a compartment, the ship lost part of its buoyancy because the damaged space can no longer keep water out. The ship sinks deeper in the water. Increase in draft. The ship draft increase because of the additional weight of the floodwater. Change in trim. When flooding occurs forwards or aft, the ship may trim by the bow or stern. List of heel. In flooding occurs on one side only, the ship may list towards the damaged side. Reduction, reduction of stability. Floodwater raise the ship center of the gravity and reduce the metacentric height GM. A lower GM means the ship becomes less stable and more likely to capsize. Free surface effect. Floodwater inside the compartment can move from side to side, creating a free surface effect which further decrease stability.
Permeability. Permeability is the percentage of compartments volumes that can be to complied with by water after flooding. Is depends of the amount of empty space inside the compartment. Technical permeability value: machinery space about 85%, cargo holds about 60 to 90%, passenger space about 95%, double bottom tanks about 95%. A compartment with high permeability can hold more flooding. Effects of permeability of standability: higher permeability, more flood water, more water enter the compartment, increasing the ship weight, greater loss of buoyancy. Space with high permeability loss more effective buoyancy after flooding. Large reduction is stability, increased flood water cause greater heel trim and reduction in GM. Effects of survivability: ship with better subdivision and controlled permeability are more capable of surviving damage.